Breaking the wall of complex endoscopy. Philippe Ganz, Falling Walls Lab, Switzerland.
In your life, you will face just a few but crucial moments where you require a specialist's help. And I cannot think about the situation more urgent as if when you cannot breathe. Because then a clinician needs to insert an elastic tube via the mouth into your windpipe to secure your airway in a process called tracheal intubation. But the problem is that human anatomy had millions of years to evolve in a way that nothing solid shouldn't enter our respiratory system. So basically, we're fighting nature here. So you need a specialist to perform this task. But the problem is, those are not always at hand. A US paramedic, for example, only trains this process 5 times, even though it's recommended to perform 200 times to become proficient, leading that more than every second of his attempts fail. So he needs to try and try. It makes minor injuries, but the problem is, as long as the tube's not placed, you're not breathing. And when you're not breathing, the tissue doesn't get oxygen and starts to die, leading to permanent brain damage or even death. And this is like, on a global scale, you can see it's up to 200,000 avoidable deaths with a simpler method. To tackle this problem, we had a collaboration with the 3 prominent universities of Zurich and 5 years of research where we developed intuBot. It is the first device that utilizes artificial intelligence and robotic to actively support the user in the skill-based task, also allowing inexperienced users to intubate successfully. So you can say we bring the experience to the point where it's needed. Furthermore, robotic also opens other doors, so you can make more precise and complex maneuvering to also avoid obstacles, avoid tissue contact, or you make it single-handedly, so you have that second hand free, for example, for suction, where you need a second person. And this is how it works. So actually, you just place the device similar to the state of care, but as soon as it gets tricky, you just push a button, and the endoscope maneuvers automatically into the trachea. Therefore, we use computer vision to detect the surrounding anatomy and deflect the endoscope through the vocal fold. At the end, you just need to strip off the tube, and the intubation's done. This simplicity allows to also counteract the effects of the upcoding shortage of healthcare professionals, helps in crisis areas, for example, in the Ukraine now, or future pandemics. But the story doesn't end here, because this core technology now can also be applied to other endoscopic procedures to also optimize their treatment outcome while saving costs. I hope this quick introduction to our project motivated you to jump on board so we can save lives together. Thank you.